Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday inaugurated the newly built mini Secretariat and Circuit House at Pynursla in East Khasi Hills district. The Chief Minister said the project reflects the government's commitment to decentralized governance and will also allow citizens to access multiple services under one roof without travelling long distances. He also cited improvements in program delivery, noting the rise in MGNREGS utilization and housing coverage under PMAY. The Chief Minister also thanked the Raj Chabong for donating the land for the project and praised their cooperation with the government.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes. Beautiful. Advocate. Just show us whichever way.
The opening of the stone.
As political leaders and even as society, and we tell ourselves, I wish I had done that, and you know what, if I'd got another chance, then I will do this. And what we forget is that when we have that moment in our hand, we let it go. And we don't do the things and take the decisions because we are worried or scared that we will not be able to achieve it, or because we are not capable of it, or because somebody tells us that you can't do it. So therefore, I think it's very important in life to be more than what you think you can be, to seize that moment in life where you're getting that opportunity to do something, and because somebody tells you you can't, you give up. But then that motivation should come inside you to tell you that you can. And therefore, once again, thank you so much for singing that wonderful song today. It is very meaningful. It's something that inspires me, and I hope that will inspire each and every one of you present out here today. My dear friends, I don't have much to say, but I will continue with one thought, especially after what our sister has sung. And this takes me back to 2018. And I repeat this many times, but I wish to repeat it today also. And that line is a line from a book which was authored by Shiv Khera, and again one of my favorite books, I should say. And the quote in that book is said that don't do different things, but do things differently. I repeat, you don't have to do different things, but do things differently. It's a very, very meaningful statement, and again a statement that drives a lot of the decision making in our government. First, I told you about that moment when you feel you can't do it, but then you tell yourself that yes, you can do it. A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn you. But we discussed with Deputy CM. And we said that if we don't do it, then nobody is going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, We don't need to start new schemes, but we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices, but we have to make a system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governance.
Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong, who also spoke at the program, thanked the Chief Minister for prioritizing Pynursla and said the mini secretariat would greatly strengthen local administration. He said the project marks an important milestone for the civil subdivision and would benefit people across the border region.
Country working together for the growth and development of Pynursla and its people. Thank you, Mithila.